Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our channel Integration TV, and we are discussing the 40 rules of love by Molana Room. Now we'll discuss second rule of love by Molana Room. He says the path to the truth is a labor of the heart, not of the head. He says make your heart your primary guide, not your mind. He says, help the hurt to fight and face yourself. Why? Because the knowledge of God descends on your soul. Therefore, he says, देखकर खूब बड़ा आतिश नूर में इश्क अक्ल है मेरे तमाशाए लगे बाम भी. Now the question is, what is nafs? Listen, your worst enemy is hiding within yourself, that is your false ego. So, overcome the false ego to listen to our hearts. You know what false ego does? False ego is your real cause of sorrow and bondage to material desires. Yes, and now who are you? It's a very interesting question, and this is a question that no one can satisfy you. If you are interested to know the answer, so only spiritual person can satisfy you. When you want to know, when you are interested to know that who am I?
In short, that you are a spiritual soul of unconditioned consciousness.
Guys, I hope you like our video. If you like our videos and want to watch next videos, so please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. If there is your advice for updating the channel, so your suggestion is very important for us. You can advise on comments. Thank you very much. Jazakallahu khaira. Make dua for us. Take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.